Downtown traffic, helicopter 425 Alpha Echo on the west ramp. Be repositioning to taxiway 08.
Downtown Island, Twin Cessna 6871 Delta holding at runway 8, downtown.
Downtown traffic, helicopter 435 Alpha Echo will be on the go, taxiway 08 with a west departure, downtown.
The helicopter in downtown, are you up and out?
I'm on the move right now. In about 5 seconds, I'll be turning to the west.
Downtown traffic 6871 Delta taking runway 8, departing out to the north.
And downtown traffic 435 crossing the departure into the runway right now. Westbound should be out your way.
Downtown Island, Grumman 104 is downwind, runway 8. We've got the helicopter in sight, no factor.
Downtown Island 6871 Delta taking off runway 8, departing out to the north with the helicopter in sight.
Downtown traffic, Grumman 104, turn is final, runway 8, full stop downtown.
Traffic 6871 Delta Twin Cessna just off runway 8, climbing through 1.8, turning out to the north. Approach 6871 Delta.
Knoxville approach 274 Sierra Romeo. I just switched radios.
Twin Cessna 6871 Delta Knoxville approach. Say request.
Yes, sir. 6871 Delta just off runway 8 at downtown, looking to pick up clearance.
Twin Cessna 71 Delta, squawk 7223.
7223 for 6871 Delta, climbing through 3.5.
Number 40 Romeo, radar contact 15 miles west of McGee-Tyson Airport, altitude indicates 4,400. Number 71 Delta, radar contact 10 miles northeast of downtown Island Airport, altitude indicates 4,000.
4,000 checks for 6871 Delta.
Number 71 Delta, clear to Delta Yankee Romeo Airport as filed. Climb maintain 8,000.
Clear to found the Delta Yankee Romeo 6871 Delta, climb 8,000.
Knoxville altimeter 3018.
3018 for 6871 Delta. Okay, I'm going to set my timer. A fuel timer, there we go.
Cirrus 40 Romeo, fly heading 070, vectors for runway 23 right.
Hi, 070, vectors for 23 right, 40 Romeo. Departure 791 Heavy's passing 3.3 for 4.
I just crossed through 6,000.
791 Heavy Knoxville departure, radar contact. Turn right heading 320.
Right turn, 320 for 791 Heavy.
The goal is to make it home before the sun sets. Before 30 minutes after sunset. I told my wife that I would, so that's the goal.
Sirius 40 Romeo, turn right heading 090, VFR altitude your discretion.
090, altitude my discretion, 40 Romeo.
American 2078, Knoxville approach. Expect, turn 10 degrees left, vector for a visual approach, runway 23 right.
10 left for 23 right, American 2078.
American 2078, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, American 2078.
American 2078, descend and maintain 8,000.
Was that 8,000 for American 2078?
American 2078, affirmative.
8,000, American 2078.
So the 91 heavy, turn right heading 050.
Right turn 050, so 91 heavy.
Number 40 Romeo, enter right base, runway 23 right, and let tower know your intention.
All right. Right base now, 40 Romeo, switches to tower. Knoxville approach, coming to 4900, 15.3, descending 1300, receive call.
Commuter 4900, Knoxville approach, turn 15 degrees left, descend and maintain 11,000.
15 degrees left, descend and maintain 11,000, commuter 4900. Knoxville approach, Bonanza, November 76 up, Charlie 900,000, we'll go.
Change in the engine.
And then 76 Alpha Charlie, Knoxville approach, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend maintain 4,000, 6 up, Charlie.
So now one heavy on the go, fly heading 250, maintain 4,000, unable tower pattern for now. American 2078, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, American 2078.
Number 71 Delta, contact Atlanta Center 133.6.
133.6, 6871 Delta. Atlanta Center 6871 Delta, 8,000.
November 6871 Delta, Atlanta Center, Knoxville altimeter 3018.
3018, 6871 Delta.
Allegiant 3033, descend and maintain 13,000, Knoxville altimeter 3018.
13,000, Legion 3033. Atlanta, Bonanza 8428, November 5,500.
November 8428 November, Atlanta Center, Roger, Chattanooga altimeter 3017.
3017, Julie, November.
Center 464 Alpha Charlie, contact Memphis Center 132.9er. November 464 Alpha Charlie, contact Memphis Center 132.9er.
132.9er for Alpha Charlie, happy day.
Good day. 3060 Bravo, Roger, radar contact 8 miles northeast of the Calhoun Airport, Chattanooga altimeter 3017. Show you currently at 3,500, is that correct? 3060 Bravo, and are you able to maintain your entry and obstruction clearance through 5,800? November 3060 Bravo, maintain your entry and obstruction clearance through 5,800. You cleared to the Winston-Salem Airport via present position direct Asheville, direct Hickory direct, on maintain 9,000. Allegiant 3033, contact Knoxville approach 123.9er.
123.9er, Allegiant 3033.
November 746 Delta Whiskey, contact Indy Center 124.62.
12462, 746 Delta Whiskey. Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday. Air 2 Juliet Juliet, descend and maintain 11,000. 2 Juliet Juliet, contact Chattanooga approach 125.1. Air 40 Delta X-ray, contact Knoxville approach 118.0. Air 90 Kilo Mike at Atlanta Center, clear direct volunteer, climb maintain level 230.
Atlanta, Cherokee 6515, Whiskey with you.
Air 6515 Whiskey, Atlanta Center, Knoxville altimeter 3017.
3017, thank you so much. 15 Whiskey.
November 8428 November, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound, leaving 4,500 descending. November 811 Lima Lima, Indy Center's telling me they have some higher terrain ahead. I'm going to maintain 6,000 for now, and they do have your request to go back down when it's available.
Roger, back up to 6,000, Lima Lima.
Thank you.
6871 Delta, contact Memphis Center 132.9er.
132.9, 6871 Delta.
Visual 23 right, 180 to 5 mile final, Allegiant 3033.
124.62, Indy, thank you so much. 1 Whiskey.
Contact Atlanta Center, 133.6, good day.
133.6, Blue Raider 90.
Atlanta Center, 6871 Delta, 8000.
Number 6871 Delta, Mid Center, Roger, Nashville, altimeter 3013.
301 tree, 6871 Delta.
Number 5138, Mike, verify when you have the weather and NOTAMs at Bowling Green and same type of approach request.
We have the weather and no temps at Bowling Green and would like to the visual this evening.
Roger. And you can expect lower momentarily. You can expect the visual approach.
Expect lower in a moment. Expect visual 513, Mike.
Southwest 2738, descend with the Ryman 2 arrival landing south transition. Nashville, altimeter 3013.
Alright, 3013, descend via the Ryman, landing south, Southwest 2738. Good afternoon, Memphis Metro 680, Mike Delta, 16,000.
Number 680, Mike Delta, Mid Center, Roger. Nashville, altimeter 3013.
3013, Mike Delta. A3 Tango Fox, climbing 15,000.
Number 83 Tango Foxtrot, Mid Center, Roger. Climb and maintain, followable 230.
230, A3 Tango Fox.
Okay, so on the way back, heading to the west, with headwinds, we're at about 172 knots across the ground, which is about 196 miles per hour. Not doing nearly as well as having about a 20-knot tailwind, obviously. But it beats walking.
Number 6871 Delta, contact Nashville approach 118.4. Good day.
118.4, 6871 Delta, good day.
And left flight 7, traffic and side, maintain visual separation. Left flight 7, roger.
Nashville approach 6871 Delta, 8000.
November 6871 Delta, Nashville approach, altimeter 3012.
3012, 71 Delta. Yes, out that front window.
There's 4 off Charlie, contact approach 119.35.
I was just going to say, if all you can see is glare and haze, that's pretty much all I can see, too. Sometimes the haze and glare is so significant, it's almost like instrument conditions. Of course, I'm flying on an instrument clearance.
And American 20 or 33 has a view inside.
Okay, we are inside 1 hour. That's always good news. Also means it could be time for a little bit of coffee.
Good afternoon, Nashville Metro 680, Mike Delta, 10.3, descending 8,000, more the weather tomorrow.
JetBlue 381, turn left heading 290.
Heading 290, JetBlue 381.
November 680, Mike Delta, Nashville approach, altimeter 3012, expect the visual approach running 19.
3012 won't be, expect the visual 19, Mike Delta.
JetBlue 381, turn left heading 230, intercept localizer, runway 20 left 5, Nashville in sight.
Alright, Roger, heading 230, intercept the localizer, fields in sight, JetBlue 381.
JetBlue 381, clear visual approach, runway 20 left, contact tower, see.
There's a visual 20 left, over to tower, JetBlue 381. Flight color 527.
Tower 56527, turn right heading 310, expect the ILS approach, on 2.
310, expect ILS, 527.
Jet 379, clear to Wayland, descend and maintain 8,000.
Direct Wayland on to 8,000, jet 279.
Nashville approach, clear 96 at 3,800.
Number 4722, operator contact 5 miles north 11 and altitude indicates 5,800, altimeter 3012, climb to VFR request altitude approved, pursuit on course Peachtree.
That controller has a great voice.
Operator, who was calling?
Blue Raider 96, currently at 4,100, just departed Murfreesboro.
Number 6871 Delta, contact approach 119.35.
119.35, 6871 Delta. Nashville departure 6871 Delta, 8000.
November 6871 Delta, Nashville approach, roger. November 25 November, the traffic's 12 o'clock and 5 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 3,400, I believe it's a Saberliner.
25 November, looking no joy.
Southwest 2123, traffic 12 o'clock and 12 miles westbound, a twin Cessna at 8,000.
Yeah, we're looking Southwest 2123.
November 71 Delta, traffic 12 to 11 o'clock and 12 miles northeastbound, a 737, 900,000, they'll pass overhead.
We're looking 6871 Delta. Approach number 707 Troy X-ray, same through 14-2 via, and we have a hotel. Don't know that we'll be able to see it. He's 1,000 feet above us and climbing, it looks like. I can see on my radar. 6 miles out. Could be in that front window camera if there's not too much glare.
November 0, Charlie, turn left heading 250. This will be a vector for descent.
Right, then 250, 0 Charlie. Southwest 2123, passing the twin Cessna. He is now off our left wing.
Southwest 2123, roger, descend and maintain 5,000.
Set maintain 5,000, Southwest 2123.
That was us he was talking to, or talking about.
November 71 Delta, traffic no factor.
We saw him fly over 6871 Delta, thanks.
South 2123, did you say how the airport? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
South 2123, clear visual approach runway 20 left and contact tower 118.6.
118.6, clear for the visual 20 left. Thank you, South 2123.
Foxtrot 3554, national departure, radar contact, say altitude.
Altitude 3,000, climb 4,000, altitude 3554.
And November 7 Charlie X-ray, reduce speed to 190 for sequence.
190, set right.
Foxtrot 3554, clear direct kilo.
Clear direct kilo, altitude 3554.
November 71 Delta, contact Memphis Center 125.85.
12585, 6871 Delta.
Southwest 1231, fly heading 155.
Heading 155.
Memphis Center 6871 Delta, 8000.
6871 Delta, Memphis Center, welcome Nashville to the 3013.
3013, 6871 Delta, thanks. Fuel timer check. Down to 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I always change my fuel first and then turn the timer off. Confirming they're both on auxiliary, and they are. Reset the timer for about 20 minutes. Oh, we got a little break on the sun. That should be really pretty. I feel like we deserve that.
Number 9570 Yankee, contact Huntsville 118.05.
No, 570 Yankee, connect.
Yep.
And I hope by now you're getting used to the scratches in the front windshield in front of the camera. I've had the airplane for a number of years, and of course I don't use that side very much. It hasn't bothered me. But, like I said, don't get too used to it because we're planning to have it replaced the next month or two. It's been ordered, and there's just a little wait time to get that.
Number 6871 Delta, contact Memphis Center 134.65.
134.65, 6871 Delta. Memphis Center 6871 Delta, 8000.
6871 Delta, Memphis Center, the Paris altimeter is 3004.
3004, 6871 Delta.
Carbondale 731 Tango, Memphis Center, Cape Girardeau altimeter is 3000.
We'll see how moving that camera does with the propeller.
6871 Delta, to set a fast correction, maintain 2,500, advising you of the weather NOTAMs at Dyersburg, and visual approach, you expect a visual approach, unless you like something different.
Okay, pilot's discretion down to 2005, I'll let you know, 6871 Delta, expect visual. 6871 going to head down to 4,000. I'd like to request the RNAV 22 to Dyersburg. We have the weather.
Evening, Med Center, TDM 910, Mike X-ray, climbing 6.6 for 14,000.
910 Mike X-ray, Memphis Center, climb maintain, fall 230.
Maintain 230, Mike X-ray.
Number 71 Delta, clear direct to Yodo.
Clear direct to Yodo for 6871 Delta, thank you. All right, he's just cleared us to runway 22, cleared us to Iodo, which is the fix into runway 22, RNAV 22.
Number 71 Delta, maintain air above 2,900 until Iodo cleared RNAV runway 22, approach Dyersburg Airport.
Okay, 6871 Delta, remain at or above 2,900 to Iodo, cleared for Dyersburg Airport, RNAV 22. Here we go, we're on our way to Iodo, a fix in the sky. At or above 2,000. Okay, looks like we may make it in before I actually need this. Unlike the sunglasses situation.
Major 678, contact Memphis Center 133.85. Who was that? Alright, stand by just a second. Volunteer 3758, say again. Volunteer 3758. You didn't, but see you turn into
altitude 200 to go.
Contact tower 119.6. Major 678, sorry about that. Yeah, 3385. Have a good one. Or 6871 Delta. Report cancellation of 5 power this frequency on the ground through flight service change to advisor frequency approved.
Okay, 6871 Delta can go ahead and cancel our instrument clearance.
Or 71 Delta, roger, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR and frequency change is approved. Have a good rest of the day.
Alright, VFR 6871 Delta, thanks for your help. Dyersburg traffic 6871 Delta, about 17 to the northeast at 3000, coming in for RNAV 22, runway 22, Dyersburg. Alright, got the cowl flaps open. Everything else is where I want it. My fuel's good. Like what I'm seeing, my speed's good. Yeah, may bring it down one more notch. Approach is loaded. We'll make a turn at 1.7 miles. We'll let the autopilot do it, make sure it's do what it's supposed to do.
Western traffic, Cherokee 95 Romeo, 5 miles to the west. Crossing midfield at CPA to join left downwind runway 17. Western traffic.
So far so good, just making the turn. Dyersburg traffic 6871 Delta, 10 mile final, runway 22 Dyersburg.
Western traffic, Cherokee 95 Romeo, we're about 4.5 now to the west.
I know the runway is at my 12 o'clock, but I do not have it yet. We're still a good ways out, we're seeing the beacon.
Western traffic, Cherokee 95 Romeo, 3 miles to the west, crossing midfield at CPA, join left downwind 17, West Memphis.
Alright, the approach, it's grabbed the approach, the glide slope's coming down. Here comes the glide slope. I drop the gear, that's my cue to drop the gear. Check my speeds again, I'm at about 120 knots, airspeed, like that.
Romeo crossing midfield at CPA to join left downwind, runway 17, full stop, West Memphis.
Okay, we are on track and we are in line. Watch straight ahead, we'll see if we can activate these lights. It's still on autopilot, so I'm letting it do its thing. It's finding itself pretty good. We're a little nose left. I'm going to take the aircraft. You'll hear a beep. Got the aircraft. There we go. Now we're looking pretty good. Our third notch of flaps. Still 3 in the green, gear down, looking good. Props are on the single, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to land the aircraft. There we go. Alright, that worked out real well. Dyersburg traffic, 6871 Delta, clear the active at Dyersburg. That was a great flight.